Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to extract insights from long YouTube transcripts in NotebookLM. Okay, so just open up your active projects workspace. The interface is split into 3 separate vertical columns. Now move your focus completely to the far left, where it says sources, right here. Then click on the add sources box, right over here. And now choose and select websites, right over here. And now as you can see, you can paste the link of the video from which you want to drag out and extract the words, pretty much, subtitles, or generated transcripts that pretty much Gemini is probably doing, the AI from Google. So let me do that, paste the link. Okay, so paste the link and then insert. And now guys, the background server models will instantly connect to the video page, pull down the entire timestamped automatic captions log, and pass the raw sentences into clean text blocks. Once processing finishes, ensure that the checkbox next to the newly added video row is explicitly marked active, so the engine pulls it into your live context loop. Okay, and the next logical step, of course, is, guys, as you can see, once it's pulling everything, right, so it's just a video by PewDiePie where he assembles his first PC, and now as you can see, we have the title of the video. It's also summarized by AI, a small description, and now just give it this kind of prompt, okay? As you can see, it will isolate the arguments, etc. Send, and now we'll just wait for the response. And the model will output a grounded summary with citation links that point directly back to specific segments of the video script. Okay, and if we scroll down, as you can see, everything is numbered. There you go. We have citations. We have the chronological progression of the build, right? You can jump to any point of the video through this transcription. That is it. Now your long-form video assets are fully parsed, indexed, and converted into highly scannable written reports. Enjoy as always, and see you in the next one.